Now let us see question number 4 of exercise 14.2. The question is, the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Here in the table, number of students are given as class intervals and number of states is the frequency for the corresponding class interval. Let us first find mode and then mean. How do we find mode? Mode is the estimated value within the model class. First, we have to identify the model class. Model class is the class interval having highest frequency. From the frequencies here, we see that this 10 is the highest frequency. This 10 is the highest frequency. The class interval having this highest frequency is the model class. 30 to 35 is the model class. Here, the highest frequency is 10. So, the model class is 30 to 35. From model class, L is equal to 30. L is the lower boundary of the model class. H is equal to 35 minus 30. This is class size of model class. 35 minus 30 is 5. Now, the frequency of model class is denoted by F1. Here, F1 is 10 and the frequency of class interval preceding the model class is F0. Here F0 is 9. The frequency of class interval succeeding the model class is F2. Here F2 is 3. So here F1 is 10, F0 is 9, F2 is 3. Now let us write the formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us substitute the values. So mode is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9 by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3. This whole into H. H here is 5. Now let us simplify and calculate the mode. Now let us simplify and calculate the mode. So here it is 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1. This is 2 into 10, 20 minus 9 minus 3. So 20 minus 12, it is 8. So into 5. This is 30 plus 5 by 8. So this is equal to 30 point. Here 5 by 8, we get it as 60. So 48, 20, so 2 times, then 5. 30.625. What is mode here? It is number of students. It is teacher-student ratio. The number of students per teacher. Mode is equal to 30.625. This is students per teacher. Now let us find the mean. Here number of students. This is class interval. Number of states is frequency. Now let us find class marks, xi values. Class mark for first interval. Class mark is equal to lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. In this way we can find it. This is 35 by 2. So this is 17.5. In this way we can find class mark, or we can find in another way. First we have to find half of class size. Class size is 20 minus 5. So 5. Half of class size is 5 by 2. It is 2.5. Add this half of class size to lower boundary. We'll get class mark. So class mark is equal to lower boundary plus half of class size. Here it is 15 plus 2.5. We get 17.5. So the first xi value is 17.5. In the next second interval, here 20 plus 2.5 is 22.5. Here we get 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, 52.5. Now let us implement deviation method or step deviation method. Let us first find deviation values. Deviation di is equal to xi minus a. Here a is assumed mean. Let us take the middle value of these xi's as the assumed mean. 32.5 and 37.5. These are the middle values. Out of these two, let us take one. Here we can take 32.5 because this has higher frequency, and also this 27.5 also has more frequency. So the mean may be near to 32.5. So let us choose this one as assumed mean. 32.5 is the assumed mean. Now we get di values as 17 minus 32.5. 32 minus 17 is 15, is minus 15. Then 22.5 minus 32.5, it is minus 10. Then here minus 5, it is 0 here. Here 5, 10, 10, 15, 20. These are the deviations. The deviations are multiples of 5. So let us implement step deviation. step deviation ui is equal to di by h. Here we are taking h as 5. Now minus 15 by 5 is minus 3. Here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this column, let us write the product FIUI. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. 10 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8. Now the sum of the negative values, it is 9 plus 16 is 25. So minus 34. Here positive values, sum of positive values is 11. So sigma FIUI is minus 23. Here sigma Fi is equal to 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. Then 30, 33, 35. Now let us write formula for mean when employing a step deviation method. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma FIUI by sigma Fi into h. Now substitute the values. A is, we have chosen A as 32.5 plus sigma FIUI is minus 23 by sigma Fi is 35 into h we have chosen 5. H is equal to 5, so into 5. Here we can cancel 5 and 35 by dividing 5 we get 7 here, 1 here. So 32.5 minus 23 by 7. Let us divide 23 by 7 and find the value. This is 3 times. So here it is point. We are getting 20. So 2 times 14, 60. Then 8 times is 6. So let us take it as 3.28. This is approximately equal to 35.5 minus 3.28. 32.5 minus 3.28. This is 2. This is again 2. Here we get 9, then 2. So this is equal to 29.22. So here mean is equal to 29.22 students per teacher. Here it is given, find the mode and mean of this data, interpret the two measures. Here we obtained mean as 29.22 students per teacher. So from this we understand that average teacher students ratio is the average teacher students ratio is 29.22. But the maximum teacher student ratio is 30.625. Maximum or most occurring teacher students ratio is 30.625. This is question number 5 of exercise 14.2. The question is the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. Runs are given as class intervals. Number of batsmen are given as frequencies. Here runs are class intervals. Number of batsmen or frequencies. Find the mode of the data. We have to find mode of the data. For a grouped data, mode is an estimated value. We can only find the model class from the data. Model class is the class interval having the highest frequency. Here, this one, 18 is highest frequency. So the class interval having 18 as frequency is the model class. Here, 4000 to 5000. 4000 to 5000. This is the model class interval. This is the model class. Here, the highest frequency is 18. So the model class is 4000 to 5000. Now from this model class, we can find lower boundary of the model class and class size of the model class. Lower boundary L is equal to 4000. Class size H is equal to 5000. The upper boundary minus 4000, the lower boundary. 5000 minus 4000 is 1000. So the class size of the model class is 1000. The frequency of model class, we denote it by F1. F1 is 18 here. And the frequency of class interval preceding the model class, here we denote it as F0. F0 is 4 here. And the frequency of class interval succeeding the model class is denoted by F2. Here F2 is 9. Let us write the values here. F1 is 18. F0 is 4. F2 is 9. Now let us write formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us substitute the values and calculate mode. L is 4000. So 4000 plus F1 is 18. 18 minus F0 is 4. So 18 minus 4 by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus F2 is 9. So minus 9. This whole into H. H here is 1000. Now let us simplify and calculate the value of mode. This is 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is 14. This is 36 minus 13. 36 minus 13. It is 23. So 23 into 1000. So we get 4000 plus 14,000 by 23 is 14,000 by 23. 4,000 plus 608.7. So we get 4,608.7. Therefore, mode is equal to 4,608.7 runs. Now let us see question number 6 of exercise 14.2. The question is, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods of each 3 minutes and summarized this in the table given below. Number of cars is given as class intervals. Frequency is given. Find the mode of the data. For a group data, we find only estimated mode. We can identify modal class. Modal class is the class interval having highest frequency. In this data, among these frequencies, 20 is the highest frequency. So the class interval having this frequency 20 is the modal class. So here this 40 to 50 is the modal class. That is right. Here the highest frequency is 20. So the modal class is the lower boundary is 40. Class size of the modal class H is 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40, it is 10. Now let us find frequencies. Here the frequency of modal class, which is denoted by F1, is 20. The frequency of class interval preceding the modal class, which is denoted by F0 or F0, is 12. The frequency of class interval succeeding the modal class, which is denoted by F2, here it is 11. Now let us write the values here. F1 is equal to 20. F0 is equal to 12. F2 is equal to 11. Now what is the formula for mode? If the question is asked for more marks, it is better you write the meanings of these symbols. What are these symbols? Now let us write formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us substitute the values and calculate mode. Mode is equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12 by 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 whole into H is equal to 10. So it is into 10. Let us simplify and calculate mode value. 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8. This is 2 into 20, 40 minus 23. 40 minus 23. So we get 17. This is 17 into 10. So this is 40 plus 80 by 17. What is 80 by 17? 17 fours are 78. So 2. This is 1. So 17. Again we get 1, or approximately we can make it 2. So this is approximately 40 plus 4.12. This is equal to 44.12. 44.12. Therefore, mode is equal to 44.12.